Okay, welcome to business banking. So, you will need a bank account for accounting purposes, obviously. And if you're in the US, I would recommend going to local banks. So, banks like Bank of America, Chase Bank, PNC Bank, doesn't really matter which one. I would recommend physical banks only because of the fact that you can actually speak with someone whenever there's any issues or anything you just want to get across. It's just easier in person. Okay, so I would trust me on this. I would recommend, if you have the choice, choose a physical bank over online bank. Now, if you have multiple types of physical banks that you could choose from, I would go with the bigger branches like Bank of America or Chase. I use Chase myself, and you're going to be using Chase in order these bigger branches. What you need to know is that you need to have at least $1,500. Otherwise, there's going to be monthly fees, about $20, $30. And there's also ACH fees, which may cost money. So I would recommend still using Chase and then having an online bank anyways. So you must open up a business checking rather than business savings, because checking accounts, they don't have a limit on how much times you could withdraw money and how many times you can send money. So with that being said, here are my banking recommendations: Noble Bank, Wise Bank, American Express, Business Checking, Mercury, and Relay Financial. So I'm going to go over all 5 of these and which ones I would recommend. So some of these I do have a referral code, and I do make a small commission. But if you're going to use a referral code, I do believe there's going to be benefit for you. So for example, Noble Bank, you get $40 free after depositing if you use affiliate link. Wise, there's $600 fee-free international transfers with their affiliate link. And then these 3, I don't really have affiliate links. I do have an account with this. I don't have an account with these 2. So Noble Bank, this I've been using for 4 years now. It works fine. App is decent. I use this to pay suppliers because Chase Bank, you have ACH fees. So I use Noble Bank to pay my suppliers that are in US or international. No fees with that. Customer service with this bank is non-existent. Even if you call the number, even if you try live chat, basically just don't depend on it. So don't keep a big balance in this. I would keep your balance mostly on Chase. Second, not sure why Wise is not working, but just go to wise.com. And this you can use if you're international or US. And essentially you can send money internationally, do all the transfers, and it's completely free, except you will need to buy a bank balance, which is about $30 based on the currency that you're willing to deposit money into. So that is Wise. Mercury Bank for international clients. Mercury, very easy to use. There is a long application process. That's why I don't like about Mercury Bank. I haven't really used this before, but from all the clients that have used this, they're pretty happy with Mercury Bank. Same thing with Relay Financial. If you're international, you can use this as well. If you're in the US, just stick with Wise, Novo, or Chase, Bank of America, those options. And then also, if you're in the US, you can use American Express Business Checking. And I would recommend this, and I wish I started using this from the beginning, because the main benefit of this is you get membership reward points, which if you don't have an American Express card, this doesn't really matter. But 30,000 membership reward points is about $300 that you can deposit directly into your bank account. So free $300 after you qualify. And essentially, to qualify, it says right here, then this may change over time. Sometimes there's more points that you can earn, sometimes there's less, or sometimes there's no offer. But right now, you can deposit a total of $5,000. You might not have $5,000, and in that case, you can't really take advantage of the welcome offer. I would probably not open up the bank account, because welcome offer, that's literally $300 free just by hitting the requirement. Maintain an average balance of $5,000 for the next 60 days, and make 5 or more qualifying transactions. So essentially, transactions say right here, qualifying transactions are mobile deposits, check deposits. So for American Express, they're pretty clear on exactly what you need to do to hit the welcome offer and get the rewards. And here's some more information about it. Right now, there's a 1.3% APR on balances up to $500,000. So essentially, you're not going to earn a ton. It's only 1.3%. Again, if you have $1,000 you're gonna earn what, $10 something? Yeah, $10 something for a whole year. So that's really the main thing with these banks. I would recommend American Express if you're going to be using this, and you can take advantage of the membership reward points. But that is pretty much it in terms of what you need to know about these banks. I recommend these 5 banks. Anything else you could try, but I don't really have experience in or client experience in as well. So that's it for business banking. Make sure you get the bank account after you got your resource certificate, EIN, and incorporate the business. Make sure you're following in order, and I'll see you guys in the next video.